Hey everybody, Jango here. This is my Yoon. I finished up the install on it today, and this run was machined by Ace Rocket of Orbital Machining, and the organizer of the run was Lord Dotimoto or Grievous on the FX Sabers forums, and Yoon, I believe. If I'm incorrect on that, sorry about that. Anyway, this Saber was a little bit difficult to install in, and I made some changes on it as well. I actually put in a recharge port here in the bottom instead of the other way that it was recommended to do through the tutorial, which was actually in here. I didn't really like that because you have to take the whole Saber apart just to recharge it. Well, anyway, to get on with it a little bit. This has an ultrasound 2.5 in it. There are 4 AAA nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries in it, and the kill key on this one is sticky.
Ultrasound 2.5.
Okay, so it's got the ultrasound 2.5 in it. The main LED is this old P4 white, and I have an amber accent LED right here. There was 2 holes here for switches, but ultrasound only needs 1 switch, so I decided to put an idle LED in there. I was going to do white, but I just decided to go with amber. Well, to start it up, that's the main switch. Here's the lockup for the that's a nice yellow. The filter I used was Deep Straw. Gemini Concepts gave me some tips on that. I had found one of the threads, the Scorpion thread, and saw Deep Straw, and I'm like, that's the color I want. I also put an LED down here. It was a white LED, and I used the Deep Straw filter. I made a little filter casing for it. Now for the less fun bit, I'm going to put a blade in it. I have to take the top of the Saber apart to do that, so I'll go ahead and shut it down so I don't blind myself. Okay, so you unscrew these first. Go ahead and pull the emitter off. See, there's indents here, and this is the LED mount right here. So our goal right now is to not move that and keep it in place. Here is the blade. It's a nylon blade. LDM made the blade and fitted this one here. I had to pop it off and put some better mylar film on it because it wasn't refracting as well as I would have liked, and I put about 4 feet of polypropylene in it. Okay, to get this see, it goes right through. And that little retaining ring, there's a space in between this and this that will hold it in place. There's no blade retention screw whatsoever. Now let's see if I can do it without moving the LED holder. Oop, guess not. Okay, so I moved it a little bit. I have this to help me line it back up, maybe. Nope, totally botched this whatsoever. Alright. Yeah, you might want to remove the ring if you ever get one of these and put a blade retention screw in. Okay, I think I got it lined up. And I did. See, that screw is now flush. So now we just have to put the other one in. Okay, both of them are in nice and tight. The blade does spin, which is kind of interesting, and it does have a little wiggle. This isn't a saber that you would use to duel with. I wouldn't anyway. I mean, it's a nice piece, but I don't think it's sturdy enough. Spinning, oh, it's great for spinning. Okay, see, it's a nice yellow. Came out really well. Pointed tip, the mylar, it lights up really well. Douse the lights. There's my little accent LED there in the top, and you can see the matching color down there in the bottom of the panel. Please don't get me wrong, I like the saber a lot, and this will probably be the only time I actually unscrew the emitter to do this. I'm happy to own another Ace Rocket saber, and if you get a chance to get one of these, I would go ahead and go for it. Later.